How do I know which way to strum the guitar? When I've got a strumming pattern, how do I know when to play down and when to play up? Today we are going to learn exactly how that works. Don't worry, it's really straightforward and we're going to get straight into it. So, up on the screen here I've got a little pattern. We've got 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Now, what we can see from that is the smallest common denominator is a half beat or a quaver or an eighth note, right? So you've got 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. So it makes sense that we're going to go down on the beat and then up on the off beat. So that pattern will sound like this. All right, that makes sense so far, right? So if we're on the beat, we're going to go down. If we're on the off beat, we're going to come up. In example 2, we see I've got a tied note. So we've got 1, 2 and 4 and. Okay, so we've got 2 ups in a row, if you like. We've got, right, so it's tempting to kind of go down, down, up. Then the next, there's a big gap and it's tempting to go down there on the and after the 3. So you're going down, down, up, down, up, down. But what happens at the end of the bar is we've gone down, so my hand has ended up at the bottom of the guitar. We don't really want that because the next thing you have to start on the 1, which is on a down. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and is your answer. Easy enough? All right, example 3. Now, sometimes you're going to have smaller notes than eighth notes or quavers. You might have a semi-quaver. How we vocalize those beats is 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Okay? And you can see that here in our pattern. We've got 1 and 2, a 3 E and 4. 1 and 2, a 3 E and 4. Okay, so 1 and 2, a 3 E and 4. Okay, now suddenly we've got smaller notes, right? They fit a 16th of a bar. So now we're going to go down on the 1 and on the and. So 1 and 2, a 3 E and 4. Now, so on the E and the with the 16ths, we're going to come up. So it's going to be like 1 and 2, a 3 E and 4. Makes sense? So when we have those 16ths, we're going to need to come up. So sometimes there's an exception, and example 4 is our exception. If we had a song that was mostly quavers or eighth notes, we'd be going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But there might be a part of the song that is like a sort of a one-off rhythmic vibe or a one-off rhythmic pattern that you can play, all right? So we might have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1, okay? Because, you know, we might get to an exciting part of the song. This is a very Pete Townsend thing, right? You know what I mean? That kind of vibe. So if we were going 1 and 2 and 3, we'd be doing it correctly because we'd be going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, da, da, da. Do you see what I mean? So really we're just kind of chopping up for that moment, but we want to get round to go down in the right direction back onto the 1. Okay, so that is my little strumming video. Go and check out this video next for some more tips. See you next time. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.